everybody, thank you for joining me today. Please forget to subscribe, give us a like, and share our videos. Today guys, we're going to go over the service code 933. So what that means is your cleaner bottle got empty, you got some air in your lines, and you just can't purge it to clear that error. Another thing that can be happening guys, it can be your valves or your connections for the cleaning path for the tubes. That could be a little loose, or it could be getting some air in there. I'll show you guys in this video how to replace that. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to bypass that 933 error code so you can continue printing and do maintenance. Alright guys, so let's go over to the screen. Alrighty guys, so you can see my screen here. Now guys, we got to get into the service menu to go ahead and change those parameters to bypass that service code 933. To do that, we're going to select our gear menu towards the bottom right. Next, we're going to enter the following code. One tab above ink path, twice above options, once below options, once below ink path. That's going to bring us into our service menu. Once we're in this menu, we're going to select printer system, and we're going to scroll down till we get to 226. So 2-26. That's going to be our wiper cleaner settings. We're going to go ahead and select that so it turns yellow, and then we're going to hit select. Now on S1, mine says 100. Yours guys is going to say 220. We're going to go ahead and click on that little square, and we're going to change it from 220 to 100, little green check mark. We're going to press save, and then we're going to go back into it just to make sure that we still have 100 on there. Okay guys, once that's done, we're going to hit return, 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 all the way back to the main screen. We're going to hold the power button down for about 4 or 5 seconds. It's going to give us 2 prompts to shut down. I'm going to try to do it now. It might not let me because it's doing maintenance, but I'm going to try it. There it is. So we're going to get this prompt right here. We're going to tap that little icon twice. Once the unit is completely off, we're going to turn it back on, and that should get you guys bypassed that service code 933. Now again guys, that's a temporary bypass just to get the air out of the lines, and you also want to go ahead and call Ricoh tech support so that will check your valve or your T-fitting where those lines go, just to make sure that everything's okay, nothing's leaking or cracked. Thank you guys again for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, leave us some comments, and share these videos. And we'll see you guys next time.